is something that is already taking place in the state of Meghalaya. Gaming can be in the form of online gaming, can be in the form of you sitting in front of a computer screen and playing poker probably. Right now there is no regulatory mechanism to make sure to monitor the whole gaming, online gaming scene that is taking place in Meghalaya. So by regulating it, it's not just a regulatory mechanism, but it's also a mechanism to ensure that those who are engaging in this, they will have to also make sure that they give revenue to the state for this. Online gaming is an industry which is quite a very big industry in the entire world, and today in Meghalaya it is going on, but unfortunately we don't have regulatory mechanisms, as I just said, but it is something that is already going on, so we have to have measures to regulate that. If you are engaging in online gaming in the state of Meghalaya, then number one, we have to ensure that children below a certain age do not participate in certain games which they are not allowed to statutorily. They have to be above a certain age. Then in terms of maybe in the case of certain default, certain of financial misdemeanor, we need a mechanism in place whereby persons guilty of such kind of practices can be held accountable. So all these kind of mechanisms will be brought in whereby we regulate it. So it's a regulatory mechanism.